Hey team, welcome back. Today we're reading passage W, Socks, from the third text in the Simple Comprehension series. The teenagers laughed and joked as they tried on the different colored socks. Some were striped, some were dotted, and others were fantastically bright colors. They would not buy the socks, they just enjoyed trying them on and joking with their friends. Pairs of socks littered the ground around them. The shop worker watched them impatiently, arms crossed, an unhappy look on his face. Questions. Where are the teenagers? How do you know that? What were the teenagers doing? Describe the socks. Did the teenagers intend to purchase the socks? How do we know the shop worker was impatient? Why did the worker have an unhappy look on his face? Now let's check the answers. Where are the teenagers and how do you know that? They are in a shop or in a store. We know that because it mentions a shop worker watching them impatiently. What were the teenagers doing? They were laughing and joking as they tried on socks. It mentions that here in the first sentence. Describe the socks. Well, some were striped, some dotted, and others were fantastically bright colors. It mentions that in the second sentence. Did the teenagers intend to purchase the socks? No, they just enjoyed trying them on and joking with friends. It mentions that in the third sentence. How do you know the shop worker was impatient? Well, two options here. We could say because the worker had crossed his arms. It mentions that here. Or you could say that they had an unhappy look on their face as they watched them impatiently here. Why did the worker have an unhappy look on his face? Because the teenagers had left socks littered on the ground. Or you could say the teenagers were behaving disrespectfully.